Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into mastering Google Calendar for maximum productivity, helping you optimize your schedule, stay organized, and make the most of your time using Google Calendar. Whether you're managing work, school, or personal tasks, these tips will boost your efficiency. Setting up smart scheduling. Use Google Calendar's color coding feature to organize events by category: work, personal, meetings, and deadlines. This visual clarity makes it easier to track your day at a glance. Integrating tasks and reminders. The built-in Google Tasks feature lets you add to-do lists directly to your calendar, while Google Keep syncs notes and reminders seamlessly. Set up notifications so you never miss an important task. Automating event creation. Use Google Assistant to add events with voice commands or set up recurring events for weekly meetings, workouts, or deadlines. This saves time and keeps your schedule consistent. Blocking focus time. Enable focus time to automatically silence notifications and prevent distractions during deep work sessions. This helps you stay productive without interruptions. Syncing across all devices. Access your calendar from any device with Google Calendar's Cloud Sync feature. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, your schedule stays updated everywhere. Collaborating with shared calendars. Share calendars with coworkers, family, or friends to coordinate schedules easily. Use Google Meet integration to attach video calls directly to events for seamless remote collaboration. With Google Calendar, managing your time efficiently has never been easier. Have you tried any of these features? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.